Imagine creating stunning high-demand digital products that generate $5K to $10K in monthly sales with just one click. Thanks to the power of AI tools, running a profitable online store from the comfort of your home has never been easier. In today's video, I'll show you the exact roadmap on how to use AI to build a successful digital product that can easily generate massive sales, and reveal a trick to double your revenue using print on demand. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into it. Before diving into creating any random digital products with AI and expecting overnight sales, take a step back. Now, to build a profitable digital product online, you need to answer one crucial question correctly. Instead of asking, what product should I sell? Instead, focus on this. What problem could drive my customers to buy my digital product? And by using DeepseekAI, you can quickly find the answers to this question. For example, if pregnant women are my target audience, I could ask DeepseekAI to break down their common problems and suggest digital products that could help solve them. But if you don't know any existing audience, you can simply use DeepseekAI to generate one and choose the best options to start with. Once you've completed these steps, consider exploring popular online marketplaces like Etsy to see how similar products are performing. This will give you real-time data on what customers like or dislike about the product. The fastest way to do this is by using Alura, an Etsy analysis tool that provides insight into product monthly sales and total revenue. So by following these steps correctly, you gain a clear understanding of the problems your digital product can solve. In this video, I have the idea of creating GoodNote stickers as a digital product. This inspiration came from a friend of mine who recently became a mother. She was frustrated with how dull and unappealing her baby planners looked. No images to make it visually engaging, which make her feel uninspired and lose motivation to use it. That got me thinking, if one simple problem like this could make one lose track of their planning, there must be others facing the same issues. The solution? GoodNote stickers. They can add a touch of creativity and motivation to any planner, making it more visually appealing and enjoyable to use. And to back up this idea, I looked up GoodNote stickers on Alura and saw just how well they perform on Etsy. This shows that the demand is already there. Now imagine if I had a store selling stickers, my friend would have been my first customers. And if she has this problem, think about how many others around the world could be looking for the same solution. Now that you know what problem your product is solving, the next step is to assess the competition using Alura. If the competition is moderate or high, it's better to narrow down your product to something more specific. For example, GoodNote stickers can solve problems for a wide range of people. Instead of targeting everyone, I could concentrate on niche that focus on newly born mothers who often struggle with staying organized and keeping track on their baby's routine and milestones. By narrowing down the niche, the competition level drops significantly, making it much easier to make quick sales. Now we can choose to sell this type of products as digital or physical product to maximize our revenue. One great way to do this is by using a popular print-on-demand service like Printify, which offers stickers as one of its white label products. This means that once you integrate your shop with Printify, they handle everything from printing to shipping without the need for you to manage any inventory. This way you can focus on creating and marketing your designs, while Printify takes care of the fulfillment process. After deciding on the product to sell, the next step is to determine where to sell it online. There are two ways to do this. The first option is to sell on popular platforms like Etsy, which comes with built-in traffic that can easily drive customers to your shop. However, this platform also comes with high competition as your listings are displayed alongside many others. Plus, Etsy policies make them the landlords of your store, meaning you have to follow their rules and guidelines. The second is to create your own online store outside Etsy. This approach gives you complete control of your branding, lower fees, and the ability to build loyal customer base. Plus, you get to keep more of your profits and ain't affected by the marketplace policy changes or competition next to your product. However, running your own store requires you to build the site and drive traffic through social media marketing, which I'll be sharing some tips on how to do that later in the video. The first step is to choose a domain that represents what you sell. Since I plan to sell GoodNote stickers, I decided to name my store Baby Mama Stickers, which is a simple and straightforward choice. But instead of using .com in my domain, I prefer something that immediately tells visitors what the website is about. That's why I'll choose to use .store. Study shows that websites with a .store domain get 87% more traffic and rank twice as high on Google. Why? Because when customers see a .store domain, they instantly know it's an online store, making it easier to sell more. .store is specifically designed for sellers, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking to sell products online. It's no surprise that big names like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, Emirates Airline, and over 1.5 million sellers trust .store domain. Now, to get started, head over to the .store website to check if your desired domain is available. Once you find it, you notice the domain name is available for purchase, but it may cost a bit upfront. Luckily, there's a way to get it at a lower cost. Simply click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. Use the coupon code Endatah, which will be available in the description, to apply the discount and purchase your domain at a lower price. If you choose to enable privacy protection, the price will increase slightly, but without it, you can secure your domain at a budget-friendly price for 1 year. But that's not the only advantage of choosing a .store domain. You get a free access to a plus version of Elevate.store. This isn't just another discount site. This is a curated toolkit designed specifically for online sellers like you. From marketing tool to e-commerce software, Elevate.store provides exclusive deals on essential apps and platforms, including Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and many more. It's everything you need to launch and scale your business, and is completely free when you choose a .store domain. Once your domain name is ready, it's time to build your website. You can create your online store using platforms like Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace, or any website builder that integrates seamlessly with Printify. But before we dive into integrating an online store with Printify, let's jump into creating a product. To create a high quality images for this product using AI, we will need a platform that delivers impressive results for this type of designs. I'll be using Kittl AI because it offers a clip art features as one of the generation style. To get started, create a new project and choose a 1:1 aspect ratio with a 300 dpi resolution. Next, select the AI tool on the side of the screen and choose the image generation option. I'll enter a simple prompt in this format: customization, subject, and style. After selecting the clip art style I needed, Kittl AI delivers an amazing result. But that wasn't all. I was able to generate even more designs, giving me the opportunity to craft 100 free prompts that you can use to create these similar designs. The link to them will be in the description, and a special shout out to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Before uploading my design to my store, I always upscale it for a better image quality using a platform called Let's Enhance. It allows me to upscale images up to 16K resolution, but for a design like this, 4K is perfectly fine. Now that the designs are ready, the next step is to send our design to Printify. But first, let's add our online store with Printify. For example, I created my website with Squarespace, and I could easily integrate it with Printify by going to Add Store, selecting Squarespace, clicking Allow, and giving my store a name. And just like that, my store was successfully connected and ready to start selling. Once that is done, go to the catalog section and select the product you want to add to your store. Click Start Designing to upload your design and scale it to fit the frame. After that, click Save, and Printify will automatically provide the basic information you need. But to make your product listing even better, use Printify AI tool. By providing a brief description of your product, the AI will provide a title, description, and tags for your product, saving you time and effort. Once everything is set, click Publish to finalize it. And this is how it will look on your store. Now, to drive free organic traffic to your store, I recommend using Pinterest. Most users on Pinterest are more likely to click on pins that directs them to website or online store. Plus, if you're willing to invest some money, consider budgeting for social media ads to boost your reach even further. Finally, I hope this video has inspired you to create a digital product that truly solves customers' problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.